The charges are augmented by one more article, money laundering. Is this done in order to keep him longer in pre-trial? And the second question, will you be granted access to the courtroom later today, or because the last time you were barred?
I believe I will get into court today. We hope. And again, I believe money laundering charges are just icing on a distasteful cake.
What
if they bar you from presence this time? What will be your response? And what would be their excuse? What was the excuse the last time?
Well, once again, they were finding some technical issues with my credentials.
I've
only been a lawyer for 45 years. It wasn't enough. So now it looks like I may get in. And I would be grateful if I was allowed. And I would tell you that an Armenian lawyer of my experience would probably not be allowed to plead a case in Canada or the United States or Great Britain.
Ասեմ, որ Կանադայում, Միացյալ Նահանգներում կամ Մեծ Բրիտանիայում իմ փորձառությամբ հավասար տարիների փորձով հայ փաստաբանին երևի նույնպես չթողնեին.
So in fairness, I'm being very quiet about it.
Դրա համար գլուխս կախ սպասում եմ.
Because I think if I'm allowed in, it's very, very courageous and
Եթե թողեցին դա խիզախության նշան կլինի.
I would certainly appreciate it.
Որը ես իհարկե կգնահատեմ.